Okay, do you want to do a sit-up? Okay, do it.
Do a push-up.
Okay, can you do a push-up? Do it.
Push-up.
Show Mama your push-ups. Oh, good, on the table. Whoa, yeah. Can you do them on the floor? Do a push-up on the floor. Do it. Push-up. Do it.
You do push-ups?
What? Uh-huh. Do you want to practice some words? Can you say duck? Can you say dog? Can you say Lila? Can you say banana? Can you say grandma? Oh, okay, sorry. Can you say grandma? Oh, what? What? No, that's a banana peel, Dodo. That's some good words, buddy.
Can you say...
Say daddy.
Can you say...
Blink. Show daddy how you blink.
Can you blink? Blink.
Blink. Yeah. Did you see it?
No.